welcome back to URC Unboxing Review Center, a channel that is being made to show you tons of products which we generally import from China or source it locally from here. So this time we have a product called action camera. So before I start, let me introduce myself. My name is Sunil and I run a business in Ahmedabad. We do imports and we also train people on e-commerce business. So this is one of the interesting products which we import again and again. Each time we get our container, we have this product inside, not because it is selling well, because this is one of my favorite products as well. I've tried and tested all kinds of action cameras, I mean the cheaper ones, not the expensive ones as of now, but this action camera is a little bit different because this comes with RF remote control. Okay, so this makes it more interesting. Before that, I want to tell you about some of the features about this action camera. Now this is a 4K action camera. As you can see, the maximum resolution that you can get on this camera is 1920 by 1080 at 60 frames per second. So that is the max that I think you should get it. However, the company has mentioned here as 3840 by 2160 pixels, which is generally not true. 1920 by 1080 is something which you can expect quite easily at 60 frames per second. The video format will be MP4, which is good. This also has an inbuilt speaker and also audio recording options available. One of the other feature about this camera is burst option, which gives you 3 photos per second, which is a little bit interesting. However, not most of the people will use it. But what matters most is the output, which means the quality of the video recording. So for that, I'll take you forward and show you how the recording is. Before that, I want to show you what all things I got along the package. One thing along with this, there is the RF. So this remote will help you to control this action camera from your wrist. So you can control the video, you can control the photos from here directly by clicking it here. So how this works, I'll show you. So apart from these two things, you have got this belt for RF, few more belts. So you also got cable tie, which is generally used for fixing action cameras in helmets and few other stuff. So you also get this neat catalog or a brochure, you can say, which gives you all the information about this camera, which is in English. That's one good thing about this camera. Plus it also shows some of the images and how you need to fix the camera, where you need to fix the camera, what attachments are used for what purpose. So all these informations you will find in this particular booklet. So if you are confused about any attachments, you can refer to this book. And also if you are confused about the software, it is given right over here on the box itself. So from here you can scan it and you can download the related software. So apart from this, we have this cleaning cloth, we have this 3M double-sided tape, then this mount attachment, not one but two. You have this upper case box, just the cover. Then you get this thing, I don't know what they call it. Then you get this attachment to attach it on your bikes or car or things like that. Open one. If you don't want to get inside the water, then you can use that one. You get this cable, another attachment, another attachment, another attachment, another attachment, another attachment. This is generally used on the handles of the bikes, cycles, or whatever you want to put in. This is the most important part if you want to do moto vlogging, or if you want to do cycle vlogging, or if you want to do helmet vlogging, all kind of vlogging. So this attachment is important. All others are important, but that is also important. So this is the last piece of information here, and then we got this instruction for the RF, the remote. Okay, so how are you going to use the remote? This instruction is given here. So we are done with all kind of attachments. Now the most important part is the quality of the video. So for that, we need to open this camera first. So this is how it opens. So if you don't know how to open this, I'll show you. Many YouTubers and many people who actually buy this camera, they are not sure how to open this. They get confused. Even I was confused when I bought this first time. So you get this slider option here. You just pull it this way and lift it this way. So that's it, done. So before we actually judge the quality of this action camera, we need to put a memory card. Without this, it is not possible to capture anything. So I'll put this memory card. So I bought this 16 GB SanDisk memory card, which is good enough because this camera has an option to take recordings in loop. So it will just overwrite the data and continue to record by overlapping the previous recording. So that option is available. So you have control keys over here, you have OK key to select the controls, and you have on and off options here. So this side you have an option for inserting a memory card, for HDMI cable, and for charging cable. So we'll put the card here. So this is how the quality is as of now inside this room, where the brightness is not so much. So I'll capture a video using this RF card. So you see this option here. With these options you can start recording. So this image is captured. Now this is for video recording. So once you click here, the video recording starts, and once you click again, the video recording stops. Okay, so this is for image capture, and this is for video recording. So it becomes very easy when you're driving, so you can control the action camera just using this RF card. So this makes it more interesting. Now I will try and capture some of the images outside to see how it takes the images in an open light. So let's go and check it. As you can see, the recording is quite decent and the video output is also decent. You can see a bluish finish out there in the video because there is a cover on top of the lens. That's the reason you can see a little bit bluish. However, that's not the case anymore. So I've captured some of the videos and also some of the images, and you get a complete idea whether this device, whether this gadget is worth the money or not. So let me tell you about the money. Let me tell you about how much it's going to cost you. This is generally sold in India at about 4,500, somewhere close to 4,500 roughly. Now this device is available at about 2,400 from us because we are importing this product and giving it to many suppliers. So this is something which is very cheap. However, with us currently we do not have this product available, but I think the next container when it comes, you will find the same product in our warehouse. So at the moment this is just a review. However, to buy this product you will probably have to buy this using the Amazon link, but at this moment, as I said, we don't have this product available in stock. We bought somewhere around 100 pieces. Now that's totally sold out, and I kept one for myself. That's about it. It's here. So you can control your action camera right from your wrist. So that's the beauty about this camera. I hope you like the review, you like the video, you like the quality of this product. So next time if you want to order this kind of products, you can let us know. We can get it for you. If you want to buy one piece, you can probably go to the link that I have given in the description and you can buy from there. Actually, many people are confused as to where exactly use this. Okay, so this is basically used by some people who wants to do moto vlogging, some people who wants to do generally any kind of vlogging. They can use these kind of action cameras. Plus they can also use to capture time-lapse, but this time-lapse option is not available in this camera because of the fact that it's very cheap compared to all other expensive action cameras. Also, you can use this as a security system. So if you have any place where you want to keep a track on what's happening, you can just put it there as a CCTV camera because it will keep on rolling the video recording. So it will use the loop system and it will keep on recording, overlapping the previous recording. So you can just plug in with a cable and you can keep it on. You can keep a memory card up to 64 GB if I'm not wrong. But they say it's 64, but I guess 32 GB should be good enough. So 32 GB card you can insert in here and you can use this as a CCTV camera also. This is very small to detect, so you can keep an eye on people using this camera as well. So multiple uses are there for these kind of small cameras where the quality of the product is good, but the only issue is night vision is not available, so that can be a hindrance for you. So that's it about this video. If you've liked it, please do not forget to click on that like button and click on that subscribe, the red one, subscribe button. Just to keep you informed, we have plenty of more products to do the review. Because of the time constraint, we are not able to do it on regular basis. I promise you that once a week you will find some of the new gadgets where you can actually make some good profit by selling it online or buying it directly. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. God bless you all. Take care. Bye-bye.